I come across so many mean comments which are on people's feed, and I don't know what kind of disrespect or hatred a person hold towards somebody to actually comment something like that. I just don't understand from where it comes and why it comes. But hi everyone, I am Meenal. Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to a new episode of the series called Dil Ki Baat Meenal Ke Saath. So this is the third episode of the series, and if you have missed the other two episodes, you should definitely check it out. The link would be in the description box and it will also flash on the screen in case you want to check it out. So if you're already a subscriber, thank you for being here and welcome back. If you are watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing. अगर आप मुझे पहले से देख रहे हैं और आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. सो आज का टॉपिक इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. दिस टॉपिक इज़ एक्चुअली सजेस्टेड बाय वन ऑफ माय इंस्टाग्राम फ्रेंड्स when I uploaded first episode of Dil Ki Baat Meenal Ke Saath, which was about how I stay positive and tips on staying positive during this difficult time. I got a message from her and she suggested that I should talk about this topic, hence I am making this video. And if you have clicked on this video, you already know the topic. The topic is about body shaming, and I thank her for suggesting me to talk about this topic. If you also have any topic in mind which you think that I should talk about, please feel free to message me or comment down in the comment section, and I would love to talk about any topic whatsoever. So getting back to the topic, today's topic is body shaming. I think body shaming is so common that you and me and everybody must have encountered it once in their life. आपके साथ body shaming हुआ है. Somehow unknowingly you have done it to yourself or to others, or you must have witnessed it. Body shaming is so common. A lot of people are talking about it now. A lot of people are trying to sort it out, but it is still happening. I feel a lot of people don't know what kind of mental effect body shaming can put on the person that you're body shaming. I feel it is something that people take too lightly, and I think it's high time that people should address it and people should stop it and fight for it and stand for it. So with that being said, let's talk about what exactly is body shaming. Body shaming is nothing but when you mock yourself or others on their physical appearance. Typically, people are body shamed when they appear overweight or underweight, या height से related, या color complexion से related. And I somehow feel it's not only other people who are body shaming somebody. लोग खुद भी अपने आप को बॉडी शेम करते हैं. लाइक दे गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग और दे आर आउट विद देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड दे कीप ऑन सेइंग दैट I am so fat, I am so thin, I'm not fair, I'm too dark and stuff like that. So usually लोगों के दिमाग में होता है कि जब बॉडी शेमिंग हो रही है तो कोई और कर रहा है, but a lot of times you yourself are body shaming yourself, and it is not healthy for you. It is not good for your mental health. बॉडी शेमिंग इज समथिंग लाइक इतनी स्मूथली स्लिप हो जाता है कि समहाउ वाइल ग्रोइंग अप आपको रियलाइज़ ही नहीं होता है दैट यू बीन बॉडी शेम्ड. लाइक बहुत सारे घरों में देर आर लॉट ऑफ मदर्स और सिस्टर्स who will be like, यार तू तो बहुत मोटी हो गई है, यार you should eat less. Relatives would come around and they'll just very smoothly comment on your physical appearance. Somehow when a kid is growing up और उसको ये चीज़ फेस होती है तो दो चीज़ें होती है. एक तो उसका जो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है वो हिल जाएगा, और सेकेंड somehow that kid will be okay with being body shamed या किसी और को बॉडी शेम करने के लिए. सो आई फील इट ऑल स्टार्ट्स एट होम. आई फील इट स्टार्ट्स एट अ वेरी यंग एज. और एंड मुझे लगता है कि ये वहीं पे रोकना और ये वहीं पे एड्रेस होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है फॉर it not to continue when a kid is growing up. I also feel that body shaming is somehow as same as bullying, whether let it be personal or let it be online. Everybody is online, everybody is on social media. I come across so many mean comments which are on people's feed, and I don't know what kind of disrespect or hatred a person hold towards somebody to actually comment something like that. I just don't understand from where it comes and why it comes, but we will discuss from where it comes और क्यों होता है and कैसे इसे टैकल किया जाए, कैसे इसे रोका जाए. We'll discuss everything in this video, so keep on watching. So there are 3 times when body shaming is seen और मैनिफेस्ट होता है या सरफेस होता हुआ दिखता है. वन इज व्हेन यू आर क्रिटिसाइजिंग योर ओन फिजिकल अपीयरेंस, दैट मीन्स योर बॉडी शेमिंग योर सेल्फ. यू नो, nobody is happy with themselves, like nobody is perfectly or like सबको कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने आप को बोलना या अपने आप को डिस्करेज करना या अपने आप को नीचा दिखाना या समझना is not right, and that is where you're body shaming yourself and it is not healthy. Second, जब हम देखते हैं जब आप किसी और को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं रिगार्डिंग देयर लुक्स एंड फिजिकल अपीयरेंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, लाइक I am sitting with a friend and I am constantly telling her that you have put on that तुम बहुत मोटी हो and तुम तो अच्छी नहीं दिखती and blah blah blah. So that's when you're doing it in front of a person. And the third time when it is seen is when you are body shaming a person when that person is not around. मतलब किसी के पीठ के पीछे से किसी के फिजिकल अपीयरेंस के बारे में कमेंट करना या उनको मजाक उड़ाना. These are the 3 times when body shaming is been seen, and that's how it manifests. Now let's talk about a very important topic कि why does body shaming occur. जबकि इतनी बातें हो रही है, इतनी बार उसे एड्रेस किया गया है, इतनी बार लोग बोलते हैं that it's not right, but still it is happening, it is still happening and a lot of people are facing it and it is serious. The very first reason that I feel कि body shaming क्यों होती है is because लोगों के दिमाग में एक प्रीसेट स्टैंडर्ड्स है रिगार्डिंग ब्यूटी. बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में एक सेट नोशन होता है कि सुंदर किसे कहते हैं. कि a girl, a female or a male has to be of a certain height to be beautiful or handsome, of a certain color complexion to be beautiful or handsome, of a certain physique to be beautiful or handsome. So a very important point is कि body shaming क्यों होता है is because there is a preset notion of beauty in every person's mind. पहले से है, बहुत बचपन से है, हमेशा से रहा है, एंड पीपल आर समहाउ वेरी एक्सेप्टेबल अबाउट इट कि हाँ खूबसूरत तो यही होता है, इसको थोड़ी बोलते हैं. So I don't know why, but it is that. And I think a very important टॉपिक ये क्यों है लीड्स टू द सेकेंड पॉइंट कि बॉडी शेमिंग क्यों अकर होती है या क्यों होती है इज़ सोशल मीडिया एंड मैगजीन्स एंड बॉलीवुड मूवीज़. नाउ आप कोई भी बॉलीवुड मूवी उठा के देख लीजिए, जो मेन लीड होगी या जो फीमेल होगी या मेन हीरो होगा, हीरोइन होगी, दे आर टिपिकल. लाइक हर मूवी में हीरोइन सेम होती है, उसकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस सेम होती है, उसका कलर कॉम्प्लेक्शन सेम होता है, उसके बाल सेम होते हैं. तो somehow since the very beginning when a child is growing up, all this beauty standard has been fed into our minds since so long कि हमारे देश में आज भी फेयर एंड लवली बिकता है और लोग एक्चुअली बिलीव करते हैं कि सुंदर होने के लिए गोरा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो these are very important 2 टॉपिक्स और पॉइंट्स की बॉडी शेमिंग क्यों होता है. बिकॉज हमारे दिमाग में ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड सेट है और बिकॉज ये स्टैंडर्ड हमें काफ़ी अच्छे से फीड करा गया है और अभी भी हो रहा है. That's the reason, that's the main reason why body shaming is happening. I feel that it is very easy to target somebody on something that it will hurt. Like for example, I had a friend and I am not friends with her anymore, and if I want to hurt her, this thing is so sensitive that it will hurt anybody. So people do it जान समझ के, जानबूझ के लोग करते हैं किसी को दिक्कत पहुंचाने के लिए, बिकॉज दे नो इट्स द ईजीएस्ट थिंग। किसी को दुख पहुंचाना है तो उसके कलर कॉम्प्लेक्शन के बारे में बात कर लो, उसके वेट के बारे में बात कर लो, बिकॉज वो एक्चुअली बंदा चेंज नहीं कर सकता इमीडिएटली। लाइक स्पेशली व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट हाइट एंड कलर कॉम्प्लेक्शन and weight, these things can't be changed overnight, and in fact color and height तो आप change कर ही नहीं सकते हो. So I feel people use it as a tool when they really want to hurt somebody. They know this is it and ये जो target होगा ये miss नहीं होगा. So if somebody is doing that to you, don't keep any doubts. They are doing it to hurt you, and they are trying to hit you at a place where they know it will hurt you. So just back out from these kind of people and just stay away from them. And I think this is the most obvious thing why people body shame anybody, is because they want to hurt them and they don't have any base whatsoever, और बस एक ही string है जो वो pull कर सकते हैं, so they do that. Body shaming is something which has been happening और वो शायद होता भी रहेगा, और उसे completely stop करना थोड़ा difficult है. Like everybody is trying but it's not happening. So let's talk about how do you overcome it. Very first topic is connect with people who are body positive. If you are being body shamed, if you are not physically acceptant towards yourself, connect with people who are promoting body positivity. Connect with people, follow people, meet people who are very body positive and very accepting towards themselves. It will help you. Second is stand for yourself and stand for others as well. Body shaming आपके साथ हो रहा है, take a stand. If you are somebody you know who's body shaming somebody, take a stand for that person. Even if you don't know that person, please take a stand. That's how it will stop. It will kind of, just don't take that from anybody. You don't need it. Nobody needs to come and tell you, especially people whom you don't know, या जो आपके, they're not close to you. They don't have the right to come and tell you anything about yourself or your body, and you should just not take it from anyone. Third very important point is practice self-love. Now I have made a special video on this topic. The second episode was about self-love, so please watch that. You'll know everything about it. Next point is exercise no matter what. Now when I'm talking about exercise, obviously exercise is a very important part of every person's life, not because you want to stay fit, but also when you are exercising, when you're physically working out, certain kinds of hormones are released and it makes you stay positive, it makes you stay sane, mentally it's good for you. Hence make sure that you are doing some kind of exercise on a daily basis, not just to make yourself thin but to make yourself sane. Now the next topic is very important that I'm going to share with you, is understanding the difference between unhealthy and unappealing. This topic is very complicated. It is like a lot of people, when I am talking about accepting your body, that doesn't mean that you can be overweight and accept your body. So I'll give you a very clear-cut example to elaborate this point. There are certain things in yourself that cannot be changed. For example, the color complexion that you're born with, it cannot be changed, and it is totally acceptable and fine to accept it. You should own your color no matter what it is. Your height, you can't change it no matter what. So accept it and be happy about it and be positive about it. But when we talk about weight, this is something that can be changed, and that can be changed for better. Being body positive doesn't mean, loving yourself doesn't mean that you accept something which you can easily change for your own betterment. Physically बहुत problems आएंगी if you are accepting yourself. Like for example, I am 200 kgs and I'm like, I self love, oh I love myself. I can change it, I can change that, and it will be for my own betterment, for my own health. So make sure that you understand the difference between unhealthy and unappealing. accepting yourself does not mean promoting fat. Now, this is a very powerful point that I'm stating. I know the value of it. I also know that nobody wants to be overweight. अगर सबको ऑप्शन दिया जाएगा कि आपको फ्री में पतले होने का ऑप्शन मिल रहा है, तो आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी वुड लाइक टू बी फैट. ओके, सो व्हेन यू आर बॉडी शेमिंग, make understand this thing very very clearly, that that person is trying very hard to change that, because nobody wants to be there. Everybody knows what's healthy for them. Everybody knows कि physically problem आ सकते हैं. So be kind to people, and just know that they are trying, and you body shaming them is not gonna help them. It's just gonna make them reach in a space where it is more difficult, and it is more difficult to come out of it and recover from it. So yeah, keep that in mind. Next point on how to overcome body shaming is, remember that you are more than what you appear. You're more than your appearance. You're more than your physical looks. A person altogether is more than just the physical appearance. There is a heart, there's a soul, there's a mind, there's a whole together, a lot of things that combines a person apart from physical appearance. Always keep in mind that you are more than just your appearance. Now let me share some mental tips for people who have been body shamed or who are still being body shamed. सबसे पहला point है that block the toxic people. So when you talk about internet, जहाँ बॉडी शेमिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, तो आपके पास एक बहुत ईजी एक्सेस है कि आप बंदे को ब्लॉक कर दो. इट्स वेरी ईजी. यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक अ बटन एंड यू कैन ब्लॉक द पर्सन. इन रियल लाइफ अगर आपके साथ बॉडी शेमिंग हो रही है, still block that person. You need to block all the people who bring any kind of toxic or negativity in your life, and just block them and live your life happily. Second, if you are somebody who's going through this, or you have been gone through it, speak up for yourself. This kind of attitude that जाने दो, उनका बोला मुझे लगेगा थोड़ी. If somebody is doing any sort of personal attack to you, you have the full right to speak up, and you should speak up. Do not listen to any sort of nonsense that any person is serving you, no matter how fancy the platter is. Do not take that. You don't need it. So speak up for yourself and strongly stand for yourself. Third very important point is surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who are very positive and who loves you. And if you have that kind of strong backing, it just makes life so much easier. It makes everything so much easier. आपकी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, if you have a strong backing, if you are surrounded by positivity, if you have people who are very positive, it will help you come out very strong out of any sort of situation. Another point is be kind to yourself. सामने वाला तो आपको body shame कर ही रहा है, but you be kind and generous to yourself. I know it's very difficult to take that kind of negativity from a person whom you don't know, or even if you know that person, it's very very difficult. So no matter what the next person is thinking about you, you be kind to yourself, you appreciate yourself, you stay strong towards yourself, and you love yourself. Next very important thing is practice what you preach. आज यहाँ पे मैं बहुत nicely ये video बना रही हूँ कि body shaming नहीं होना चाहिए and ये and वो, and tomorrow I might be okay with it कि somebody is passing a comment on somebody and I'm like हाँ सही बोल रहा है. Yeah, I am doing it personally. So no, practice what you preach. If you are saying that you are against body shaming, that you should stand for it also. A very important tip for anybody who's been gone to it or who's been going through this body shaming thing: if it is getting too much, get help. If you feel that you can't take it anymore, get help. There is always help available. There's always people who are listening. There's always people who are there. you can get medical help, you can actually go to a professional and get help. If you can't take it, if you feel that it's mentally hampering you a lot, get help and don't be ashamed of it. बिकॉज जैसे आपकी फिजिकली बॉडी में कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है और आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, उसमें तो कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है, वैसे ही अगर मेंटली आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, प्लीज़ गेट हेल्प एंड सॉर्ट इट आउट. Also, I'd like to share something that when you are taking body shaming so lightly, it is actually affecting somebody's mental health, and it is actually putting somebody into a place which is so dark, and nobody deserves to be at that place. So think twice before commenting something mean. There's a disorder which is called body dysmorphic disorder, which is a mental disorder which is related. I'm not stating that if you body shame somebody continuously उनको ये disorder हो जाएगा. It's not, it doesn't work like that. But I just want to address the fact that there is a mental disorder present, which is a real thing, जो एक्चुअली किसी को हो सकता है. यू नो, अ पर्सन माइट बी गोइंग थ्रू दैट डिसऑर्डर एंड देन यू आर कंटिन्यूसली बॉडी शेमिंग दैट पर्सन. इमेजिन द प्लेस ऑफ दैट पर्सन कि वो, यू नो, नॉट एवरीबडी स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ, नॉट एवरीबडी कैन टेक इट. सोशल मीडिया पे आके बोलना दैट वी आर स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग द बॉडी एंड इट डजेंट मैटर इज़ वेरी ईजी. यू डोंट नो व्हाट द पर्सन इज गोइंग थ्रू इन रियल लाइफ. Very easily put, it getting affected by a very small disformity which is not even seen by a person. Like for example, I have a big mole or anything on my face, which is not as noticeable by somebody else, but I am so stressed about it. You know, like a small disformity which is not even acknowledged by another person. This person who has this disorder would be so obsessed with it, और वो इतना ज़्यादा उनको अफेक्ट करता है कि वो डेली फंक्शन भी नहीं कर पाएंगे प्रॉपरली. सो दैट इज़ द सीरियसनेस ऑफ दिस डिसऑर्डर. आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू share some symptoms related to this disorder. Very first symptom is being engrossed with a defect which is not even seen by another person. They have a solid belief that they are ugly or they are not beautiful. They are always very busy trying to conceal that thing that bother them so much, जिसकी वजह से उन्हें लगता है कि वो इतने ugly हैं, या एक छोटी सी चीज़, एक mole, they just try to conceal it all the time. These people always compare themselves to others. They are always looking for assurance from others. बार बार किसी और से पूछना कि मैं ठीक लग रही हूँ ना, मैं ठीक लग रही हूँ ना, मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ ना. They are always looking for assurance. They are always avoiding social gatherings. They will not meet people. They will not meet people outside their trust circle, and they keep on avoiding that. So these are the few symptoms that is in a person who has this disorder. I just wanted to share this that, you know, आप बॉडी शेमिंग जब करते हो तो वो आप इतनी ईजिली कर देते हो, जस्ट अ नॉर्मल रैंडम कॉमेंट दैट यू पास और यू राइट ऑन समबडी, बट इट इज़ वे मोर सीरियस देन दैट. पीपल एक्चुअली mentally suffer because of what you're writing or what you're saying to them. Not everybody is strong enough कि उनको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि सामने वाला क्या बोल रहा है. बहुत सारे लोग इस दुनिया में अभी भी हैं जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ता है कि बाकी लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं. So when you are being mean to somebody and when you're saying something so bad to them, just consider the fact that they might be standing on the edge, and that one mean comment can actually just push them. सोचो कोई ऑलरेडी खाई की तरफ खड़ा है और you know constantly because of this, and just one comment and they will just, you know, that's the seriousness of it. It's a humble request from me to you that please stand against body shaming. It is way more serious. It is affecting a lot of people. It is affecting them mentally. It is लोगों की रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में फ़र्क पड़ जाता है because of this nonsense. There are a lot of females who just stop eating, and you know, just because they want to lose weight, because they don't want this thing anymore. So please be kind to people, और please लोगों को देखिए उनके appearance के आगे जाके, because this is not it. There is something way more deeper in a person that you can connect with rather than just the appearance. And please stand against body shaming. It is high time that everybody should stand against it, because people are actually mentally suffering because of it, and it is not right. Nobody in this entire universe has the right to make anybody suffer. Nobody gets that right? So I hope you understand the seriousness of this topic, and I hope I have done justice speaking about this topic. And I hope इस वीडियो को देख के at least एक person will stand against body shaming. Also, if you have anything in mind, if you want me to talk about anything, please let me know. I would love to take any sort of suggestion. And also, at this point, I would also like to add, if you're somebody who's going through something, if you're somebody who wants to talk about something, feel free to DM me, message me, email me, comment down. I would love to talk about it as well. I'd love to help. So that concludes today's topic. I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stand for self and others and stop body shaming.